Welcome to Night Out Notes. In today's video, we'll understand SQL Joins in detail. Till now, we have learned that database stores data in table. But in real-world applications, all the information was never stored in a single table. To combine all those tables and create whatever the details we needed, we use this specific SQL Joins. The process of combining data from two or more tables using a common column is called as SQL Join. We need SQL Joins to retrieve related data. We are having separate two different tables, like customer table is separate and orders table is separate. Here customer table we are having a person named Rahul. In orders table we are having a order kept with laptop. To get to know which person placed which order, we need to combine two individual tables, like here customer table and order table. We combine both and created a specific table where which person placed which order was clearly known. So this is what says that retrieve related data. Reduced redundancy. There may be a chances of placing a single person placing many orders, right? So in the single customer table only, the data is being filled, like Rahul placed laptop, Rahul placed mouse, Rahul placed keyboard also. Then Rahul details are being repeated twice and thrice, right? So this was not preferable. This may leads to duplicate data. To reduce that duplicate data, we use this SQL Joins. Easy data retrieval. Instead of searching many tables separately, one SQL query is used to retrieve all the information. Like this SQL query is used to combine those tables and retrieve the whatever information the person was needed. Next, combines multiple tables. This allows to join two or more tables and get the records from those two or more tables in a separate table. So we get only the details which we are asking for them. Like next, we are having four main types of joins: inner join, left join, right join and full outer join. First, let's consider this example. Like I have created this table as an example. We are using these tables only all through our explanations. Like we are having customer table and orders table. Customer table we are having customer ID and customer name. In orders table, order ID, customer ID and product name. Let's go to this inner join. Inner join only returns the match in both the tables. Like see these both tables, what are all the matching records are there, that those matching records only displayed outside, like displayed in the result. See this Venn, using this Venn diagram you may understand the things very easily. See this table A, this is table B. A table is considered as a customer table and B table is considered as orders table. See, in A table we are having customer ID and B table also we are having customer ID. So consider this customer ID C. C101 we are having C101 here. Here C101 a customer name Rahul, and what is the product he bought? Laptop. This was retrieved. C Rahul and laptop. Next C102 also there. C102 Priya. Priya ordered a mobile. See, Priya mobile. Next C101. C101 is also Rahul's one only. So Rahul ordered mouse. So Rahul mouse. This was retrieved. See, only the intersection part was considered. The only combined data. Like both, if we combine both tables, what are all the common records? See, only we are having C101, 102 and 101. So only these three records are displayed here. In real life, this inner join is mainly used to find who are the customers placed the order. We are having separate tables for customers and orders, right? So combining both of them and we are retrieving the information from both the tables. So that in that purpose we use this inner join. Next comes our left join. Left join is nothing but in this we are retrieving all the information from the left table and matching records from the right table. So see, this Venn diagram also I have represented like all the details from left side and also matching records from right side. See, so we need to write all the customer details here. In this table these are all the matching records, right? We already written in this inner join. So we'll first write all these things. Like matching records Rahul, Priya's one, laptop, mouse and mobile was bought. So all these things were written already. Next we'll write details from left table which are not matched also we'll write in the left joined. Akash and Sneha, they didn't buy any of the products. So we'll write the products as null. See, we have written this null, but still we'll write in this left join. This left join is used in real life. Suppose if the company wants to list every customer, including customers who never purchased, so that this left join was used. Next comes our right join. I think you may see this. This right join is the opposite of this left join. Here we are having all the records from the right table and also matching records from the left table. So see, first we'll write all the matching records. like Rahul and Priya, all these details are matched, right? So we are writing like this. We have written all these details, Rahul and Priya. And next we need to see the right table record which is not matching. We are already written the C101 and 102 and 101, right? So only left thing was 105 and the products bind was keyboard. We don't know the person who bought this product, right? So we'll write here customer ID as null and product bind was keyboard. This is what tells us. This is what right join is all about. Next, full outer join. Full outer join returns all the records from the non-matching records and also matching records. So everything was written, see. So we'll write all the records which are matching and also non-matching records. So see, matching records like we're already having this matching records Rahul and Priya. So we already written this. Next we are having the non-matching records. See, Akash, Sneha was non-matching. So this was written, and what are all the products they Akash and Sneha bought also not known, right? So null was also written. And from the right table we don't know who bought this keyboard. We just know the customer ID. So person name was not known. So still we written this as null and product was keyboard. This was the full outer join. In this we understood that inner join returns only matching records, left join returns all records from the left table and matching records from the right table. Right join returns all the records from right table and matching records from the left table. Completely opposite to the left table. Full outer join returns all matching and non-matching records. Yeah, this is all about SQL Joins. Hope you like this video. Until then, don't forget to hit that bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you'll get more informative videos like this. If you found this video really helpful, please like and share. Meet you in another video. Bye bye.